Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start on a clean, primed chin because product adheres better and blends smoothly. Once you pick the corrector shade, green for redness or peach for blue-purple, apply a pea-sized dot directly on the problem area. Use a fingertip or a dense sponge to tap and press the product, blending outward until edges feather. Don't rub. Tapping preserves pigment placement. Make sure layers are thin. You can build coverage, but a single thin layer avoids a cakey finish and reads more natural on camera. Once the first layer is set, evaluate coverage in natural light and add tiny increments where needed. Build with thin layers rather than one heavy coat. This prevents texture and keeps correction invisible. Use stippling motions with a damp sponge or a small dense brush to blend. That technique melts product into skin without moving it. Make sure to feather the edges into adjacent areas so there's no halo. After neutralizing, apply a concealer that matches your skin tone to restore warmth and unify the area. You finish by lightly patting foundation over the corrected area to blend tones. Use minimal product to avoid disturbing the corrector. Once done, set with a fine translucent powder and seal with a setting spray to lock everything in place for the day. If you notice an unnatural tint or too strong correction, don't panic. Gently press a damp sponge with a touch of foundation over the spot to soften the color, or lift excess with a clean sponge. Make sure to recheck in different light before leaving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.